So here we have a Snom PA1 voice over IP paging gateway. Basically the way it works is you set it up as another extension on your voice over IP server, and when that extension is called, the device automatically answers and puts you over whatever sound system you have hooked up to it. In my case, I just pulled out an old stereo system speaker, and thankfully it uses the red and black wire technology that this gateway also supports right here. So as you can see, it uses the RJ45 interface, and this is coming from the PoE switch right there. And yes, it is being powered by PoE. I don't have the separate power adapter for it. And not only does it have the red and black wire interface, but there's also multiple other options too for different types of sound systems. So this thing has been reset to factory settings. So now if you see right there, there's a little button right here, and when you push that, when you tap it once, it'll announce over whatever sound system you have plugged into it the device's IP address, and if you hold it for a certain amount of time, that's another way to factory reset it. So let's hit it once.
Your IP address is 192.168.1.134.
So the IP address is 192.168.1.134. So now let's go into its web interface and set it up. So I have gone into the 3CX phone system and pre-made an extension for the paging gateway. So for this scenario, I used extension 4444. Its name is page, and these are the credentials we need to authenticate it. Voicemail is disabled because why would you need to leave a voicemail for an intercom system? And for provisioning, I specified that it's a Snom PA1. And yeah, so if you remember from earlier, the paging gateway's address was 192.168.1.134. And this is the interface of the paging gateway. So it's asking us to set a password here, so let's just do that real fast. And let's save the settings. So it's asking us to log in here, admin. So let's save the changes. Alright, and here we are. So we're logged in completely. Now let's go to Identity 1. Identity 1 is just another way of saying line key 1. So anyway, let's display name is page. Account, I believe that would be the extension number. And password, that was in here. So let's copy that password and paste it right there. So for whatever this is, registration is asking for the address of the server, so that is my domain since I'm using a cloud server. Do the same thing for outbound proxy. Authentication username, that was right here. Paste that there. None of this other stuff is important. So that should be everything. So let's hit apply. And let's hit save. Alrighty, so this information has been saved, so I'll come back in a minute and let's see if this will work or not. Okay, so we're back, and it seems that the paging gateway has properly registered. And one way you can tell that it properly registered is that only the green light is on instead of both the red and green light. Alright, so now that it registered, let's actually test it out. So let's go over to the Cisco right here, and it is extension 4444. Hello, hello, hello. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so that seems to be working properly. Let's see if it'll transmit the numbers. Yeah, it does a little bit, but it's broken up for some reason. So that seems to be working properly. And the paging gateway also hangs up automatically too, because I mean you wouldn't want it to stay on, of course, after the person making the announcement hangs up. And now let's actually try one of the analog phones, see if it'll work with the PA system. So 4444. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's working properly. And of course, let's try it with a soft phone as well. So I have my 3CX app open, so it was extension 4444. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's working right. And this has been a video over the Snom PA1 paging gateway. And thank you all for watching the video, and y'all have a nice day.